It's Crispy here with Big Nick, South Florida. Lee Watch Audit, Eyes on the State, Rogue Nation, News Now South Florida, Cop Cam. What's up, brother? Oh my gosh. Oh boy.
Sir, there's confidential information up here. You can't be filming right here.
Look at this. Wow.
Sir, I just let you know people display their social security numbers up here.
Calm down.
What's the problem?
He's shouting.
He's shouting? Yeah. Okay, because he just explained to you something and you didn't listen to him.
Don't you think he would be responsible for protecting their privacy? I don't work here.
I didn't say you worked here.
Okay. He's stating an opinion about, an erroneous opinion about how I'm responsible for somebody's private info. What's your name and badge number? Deputy. Hang on. Hang on, Deputy. Hey, Deputy. Can you give me your name and badge number, please?
Deputy Long, ID 8298.
Thank you.
Now serving D240 at station number 32.
Look at this mess.
Why are you recording?
We're gonna get it fixed.
George, do me a favor, they can't be blocking the entrances or being the walkway.
Okay. Look at this ridiculous amount of weight. You think they'll be able to take care of all these people in one day? Wow.
Now serving D241 at station number 4.
That's out. There's got to be over 200 people here.
All waiting for fine services from our 500 employees. This is the kind of stuff we're talking about. The red tape. We've got many stations here, few open. See no one at 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 6, 5, 4, 2, and 1. This is like Walmart where they put in all the cash registers and only have 2 cashiers.
Now serving D241 at station number 4. Now serving D240 at station number 32.
I don't want to be recorded.
I don't get my consent, sir.
Now serving D242 at station number 14.
Brian Applebaum. Brian Applebaum.
There's probably a
Now
25
turning
minute wait in that line.
Thanks for understanding.
241
We're gonna
at station number 4.
Bring awareness to the over 200 people that are waiting here right now.
And besides, it's your right to do so. You know, you bought this building, you paid for it.
Now
We all
turning
did.
You paid for it.
D
It's your right to know where your money
We
went.
all paid for this.
They're trying to stop us from being Americans. This is freedom. This is the First Amendment. I'm a military guy. I enlisted. I volunteered in order for these guys to be able to
Me
do
too.
this. And they don't like it but they got cameras in here.
Yeah.
And no one asking your consent to be on camera in here.
Ours don't get lost or destroyed. If he
Now
acts up.
turning D 245 at station
Less
number
wait.
3.
There are over 200 people waiting here right now.
Now
Bring
turning
exposure to it.
David, how
Show
you doing
this
today,
right
bud?
now on video. We have over 400,000 subscribers. Yeah,
What's the name? Is it a YouTube?
several. Yeah. Several channels. Yeah, you'll just look up this post office or this tax collector and you'll find it. We just came from a post office.
You are very friendly.
Now turning D
think we have to make them work.
247
You can find my channel
at
at
station
Rights
number
You're a welfare
23.
recipient, man. If someone makes you work.
Rights, as in know your rights. Crispy.
What makes it crispy? What makes it crispy?
Crispy new shirt every time I go out. We'll let the people who we paid to. So,
Emergency exit areas, we can't have anyone standing in this area. If you have a ticket number, you can move in for us, please.
Mr.
And I
Applebaum.
see clear pathways. Girl,
If you're being serviced, if you have a ticket, but if you're just standing right here, this is an emergency exit area. We do need you to move in for us, please.
I'll just come right here.
What other documents?
yeah. He's really triggered.
If there's an emergency, we'll be the first ones out too.
Don't melt.
So what would you, do they need more people?
Perhaps look at all these unmanned windows.
But you know, you can do this all online too.
Okay, some people have phobias.
Not everybody.
You know, only 2% of the world's literature is digitized. Not everything is online.
Okay, so then what's the solution? I'm asking.
Again, I'm not paid to do that. I'm a journalist. I'm bringing exposure to it, and whoever needs to fix it will see all the problems that are apparent. My layman solution is get people on window 18, 17, 16, 12, 10, and all the other ones that are empty right now.
Well, people.
Hire people. Yeah. Instead of lining their pockets, they should hire more people. That's my opinion, my humble opinion.
But you know, then they all have.
Oh, of course. Yeah.
The post office is worse.
Yeah. Well, they're
Reverse.
it's kind of
Go to
different.
Publix next. Go to
They're-
Publix subline.
I have no problems with public subs.
They're so
The
good.
people all over the world,
They're
Publix,
so good.
they watch. Publix is our local grocery store here, and they have the most delicious sandwiches, especially with their chicken tenders.
Is this gonna slow this process? Because
I don't know.
I've been here all fucking
I really don't want to slow this down. Please tell Brian Applebaum that. Brian Applebaum is the manager here. We the people. I'm not effing with anybody, man. And I'm actually here with you. We, that's right. We the people. That's the first thing I thought of when I saw all these people. I said, I hope they don't try to slow things down. And yeah. private, and I'm not after anybody's info, you know. And if I see it when I'm editing,
Yeah,
I'll
but they
take
don't
that
know
out.
that when you come in here. You don't
Nope.
have some sort of certificate saying who you are and
Right.
what you do. So they need to do their job too. So.
Right, but they have to give the benefit of the doubt first, and then
They don't have to.
Nope.
It's their discretion.
no, not as our employees. Like they can, you know, observe if they see something like I'm like obviously trying to get somebody's info or something. Then they can say something, sir. We just saw you
How
right
would you
there.
feel if you had a business and someone walked in with 6 cameras pointing at their face? I know it's initially like, what the hell are y'all doing?
No, I'm.
Enjoy those rights that we help you keep every day. Yeah.
Well, I don't know. Check it out on YouTube.
Is 10 minutes of your life worth giving up your rights for? Is it?
This is making it a lot longer than 10 minutes.
They're slowing it down. We're not slowing. They're slowing it down.
already slow to begin with.
Right, and that's what we're
Worth of
exposing.
your time worth
And hopefully, when they see cameras here, they're like, "Oh, step it up."
But that's not going to happen.
Tell me where the threshold is for you.
Right. If there's an emergency garbage,
then
then I will.
my rights. Where's your threshold at?
Number 24.
Right? You don't
Rest
care
of the
about
crew's
civil
here.
liberties. You just care about your 10-minute lunch break. I'm sorry.
A lot of people are really more passionate about this than
Now
some,
serving
but
R118.
I understand. I understand.
Thanks for identifying. You wouldn't identify.
Why would I do that?
I did to him.
I did ask you.
Now serving Q153.
Yeah, I think you wouldn't identify. I wanted to see your
Station number 24.
You didn't identify verbally.
Watch your step. You almost killed that little dog.
I know. I didn't think pets were allowed in a place like this, but I guess they are. Used to be no shoes, no shirt, no service.
Now serving B100 at station number 21.
There's no tactics being free being American. There's no tactic being
I
American.
wonder who cleans it up if the little doggy takes a dookie on the ground.
See, the problem is, you think once you put on that uniform,
You're not gonna get that reaction that you want out of me.
the reaction I want out of you is don't
It
even
ain't
talk
gonna
to me.
happen.
I don't even want you to talk to me.
Hey, do what you do.
Yeah, that's what we're doing, but you calling for
Your
that
voice,
voice.
you're making a disturbance.
You gonna tell me?
No, you're loud and people are working, so you need to lower your voice, please.
I wasn't louder than you are just now.
If you continue on, we're gonna ask you to leave. You don't want to be filmed? No. This lady is feeling uncomfortable. Next person.
You better turn off the cameras inside of here then.
Right.
Now serving P.
Sir? Public record. Don't erase that, okay?
May I review that public record that you just created on your phone? That's a denial of the law states 119-1
Let me review yours.
Sunshine Law. You just created a public record that is immediately available. I need to review it. I have unobjective documentation right here. And if you, sir, listen to me.
I'll let you talk to my supervisor.
This is very important. Okay, last chance. Do you want to hear me out? I'm going to put you on notice then. You are in violation of my civil rights.
You can stand over there.
Yeah, but if you're disturbing the public.
I wasn't talking to you, Mr. Applebaum. I wasn't talking to you. You're running a really poor organization here. This organization. I am trying to help.
Right, don't talk. We're not disturbing anyone. Where they're uncomfortable, don't end our rights. Where they're, you know, it doesn't stop our rights.
You're doing a lot of feeling enforcement today, not law enforcement.
Now serving Q154 at station number 24.
Thought he was using the drop box. Sorry.
Why do you guys all have sunglasses on?
Keep my night vision.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were going that way. Sorry.
Kind of like what pirates wear eye patches.
Yup.
there be. I don't like conflict, but if we must have it, let it be in my day so my children may know peace.
Now
Thomas
serving
Paine.
R119 at station number 10.
Patriot. I'm a Marine Corps veteran, and I swore an oath.
The Air Force.
Thank you. Blackland or Colorado Springs? But enlisted or no?
Use my act to get mine.
Wonderful.
Now
Kadena Air Base had the best Redmond's Club, banging tree, 3 different dance floors. I love it. You been there?
Bases are known, I haven't, but Air Force bases are known for their
Yeah.
accommodations.
Now serving I-107 at station number 23.
Man. I gotta go find some gum. Deputy, do you have any bubble gum? Any chewing gum? Mints?
No, sir. I'm sorry.
Thanks. You have hand sanitizer?
Maybe in my car. So we go check.
Yeah, please. You coming back here or do you want me to go with you?
I'll come back in here.
Okay. And for the rest of the people.
Now serving I-107 at station number 23.
Yeah.
Now serving D-248
get that a lot.
at station number 27.
Let's get the flag code.
This is like a stressful enough situation. You're making it way fucking worse. Like, I can't even go through my record.
Yeah, you are.
Not all.
I said you're making it worse.
Yeah, you are.
Right. You don't know English and you're a dick?
Now serving O-110
No, sir,
at
he's free.
station number
Control your emotions, man.
He's free. He's not in Nazi Germany.
He's not exercising his freedom in a way that makes me free. That's not freedom.
It doesn't. Your feelings doesn't end his right.
I don't know how that makes sense.
Why aren't you free?
And I'm contrary to what people think, I'm not here for that interaction. I love this one that we had with the lady. I'm not trying to get a bad reaction from him. I know, I can tell.
Now serving O-110
I know, I'm not getting the public records from you either, and that's on record.
Next person, line, please. I waited.
Taking pictures of the employees, basically, the building.
For Liberty. That was your next question, for what?
I guess, I don't know, it's overwhelming, it's
Hey, Sergeant.
intimidating.
Well, what about all the
He's gonna get the other story first.
That's crazy.
What's crazy is over 200 people here. That's what's crazy. We do this all over the country, and I've never seen this so busy.
Yeah, oh, I see.
I'm sorry, sir. I couldn't find any.
No? Okay. Maybe the sergeant has some.
Maybe. I'm sorry, sir.
No problem. Don't let it happen again. I'm joking. I'm joking.
This is the part where the line.
Yeah, but it went in order at first.
They actually do change that up.
The number?
They'll go from one stack of numbers to the other one below it.
C-117 at
I'm not saying that
station
that's what they're
number
doing here, but
24.
that's what they do a lot in other places.
Now serving L102 at station number 32. Now serving O111 at station number 26.
I got really trippy.
Yeah,
Snowflake.
that's the manager. It's because we're exposing what he's doing here and what he's not doing.
Hopefully the sergeant educates.
The sergeant is telling him that we're allowed to do this, but nobody can have him fix this problem. 200 plus people here.
I'm sorry, sir. Go ahead. So was I thought I was getting close. I guess it was.
South Shop Road, working on the public 54 on the
I think he's looking for the restroom.
Deputy, you feeling all right? Oh, okay.
You okay?
Yeah, no, I'm not trying to be smart. You look like you were about to pass out to me. I don't know.
Pass out?
Yeah, you look like you caught the vapors. Yeah.
That's your
I'm-
perception. I mean,
yeah, no, you
not
went.
always reality.
You like kind of like went like that. And I don't know. You were just maybe self-soothing. Yeah.
Deputy Uber been smiling since he been in here.
I really thought he was in. Well, like, tell me it'll be over soon.
Speaking of which, I need a ride too, man.
I only go one place.
You got to hook up? No.
No, we do not.
Can you call Uber?
If I had the hookup, I wouldn't be at the property for sure.
Yes, you would. You know what I'm saying? In the public. Yes, you would. You're not here for a paycheck and a pension. You're here because you love serving the people.
I got to lodge an official grievance. That bathroom back there has 2 seats. Look at all the ass you got sitting there. I mean, come on.
Sorry, absolutely.
Have a good one.
Sergeant, what's your name?
Sergeant Fleming.
Sergeant Fleming. Nice to meet you. Be safe. Be safe. Thank you.
That's it. Sergeant's leaving.
On behalf of the American public, that's how it's done. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
That's how freedom works. That's how freedom works.
Happy holidays.
Be safe, Deputy.
All right, take care.
The sergeant left, did not say anything to us, corrected the incorrect behavior of the deputy.
Take care. Those are fighting words. Fighting words. Verbal assault.
I didn't hear what he said, sir.
It's Florida state statute. Nobody.
hear what he said, sir.
He said, "Go f yourself." Nobody's enforcing the law today. I don't care. Right, no, well, they're up to a limit. Up to a limit. When you use fighting words, then that's against Florida state statute.
I gotta be
So-
honest, I'm not familiar with that. So
Well.
I will look that up. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, it just can't be used like that. Freedom of speech, freedom of assembly, like we all got here. Freedom to redress our grievances and show what's happening. Freedom of the press. And freedom of religion. Thank you, thank God. Honor your oath, Deputy.
Have a nice day, sir.
Honor your oath. Honor your oath.
Oh, roger that, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now serving.
Roger that. Your prior service?
22
What
at
branch?
station number.
Oh, thanks for the ride, Marine Corps. I'm honoring my oath too. Air Force.
Oh.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sorry, that deputy escorted me out, so
Hey.
I need to come back.
You know what? On that note, just before I leave, the hardest person I ever met in the military is an Air Force PJ. The guy who was carved out of a piece of wood. I mean, tough dude. Take care.
sir. Well, I registered it.
Yeah, he kept emphasizing that. 3 hours.
Hey, brother. Sorry about the wait.
It's all good.
We're not trying to make them do that. They did it. We're trying to fix it. Over 200 people here. You know? Hey, Sergeant. Do you have any hand sanitizer?
I do not.
Oh, do you have any in your?
Cavicide, but you can't put it on your skin. It's not good for your skin.
What's that?
It's not good for your. The stuff I have is not good for your skin.
What do you have?
It's called like Cavicide.
What is that?
It's not
It's like a cleaner. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So why would you
surface
suggest
cleaner.
that?
Huh? Well, that's why I said I don't have anything.
Well, it's
sorry.
not for your skin. It just kills.
Right. No, I'm asking for hand sanitizer for my skin, not
Sorry,
toxic
I don't have
corrosion or anything. No, sir. That I'll pass. May I have a Band-Aid, please?
Band-Aid?
Do you have a Band-Aid for me? Yeah, I have a cut right there.
Huh? Sure, I can say.
Thank you.
This officer gave me a perceived lawful order to leave.
0 for 2 on the
Sergeant
sanitizer.
showed up and corrected the misbehavior.
Your commander is here, huh?
Misbehavior was corrected, and now he's ignoring me, and that's wonderful.
You didn't even notice him, huh? Situational awareness. Head on a swivel.
Good.
I got my title question answered.
Yeah.
I lost the title to my motorcycle. I was figuring out if I had to go in and get a new one, but the guy tells me I can get it online. All right. Sir, how are you?
Fantastic. How are you, Lieutenant?
Now that I don't have to get in that line for getting new title
Yeah.
for my motorcycle, I'm very happy.
Exactly. Well, I got to tell you, I'm very happy too. We are proud, and so should you be. Usually we find a lot of problems and discipline problems in the ranks. None here.
No, there shouldn't be a problem. Is everything okay?
No, fantastic.
Are you
Like I
okay?
said, yeah.
Hey, listen, happy Thanksgiving, brother.
Thank you.
All right. I figured I'd come by and find out. Everybody's there, all right. I can make you find out. The guy told me what to do. I was so happy.
Do you have any hand sanitizer?
I have wifey.
Awesome. That's perfect. Thank you. He's
There you
about
go,
to
my
give me a
friend.
Band-Aid. I need to clean this. Thank you.
Take two.
That's all right. Thank you.
Yeah, habit from having kids. I always keep these things.
Right? Same here. Thank you. You too. Honor your oath.
I don't know if I have a common band.
No.
I don't know
Oh yeah,
if we
there's
have
like
a common band.
gauze. No, I'm not asking for that. I'm just saying, what do you got? Just like gauze and
Yeah, I don't have a common
sucking chest wound patch. Right, gotcha. Okay, thank you again. Huh?
We just
Oh, I'm happy to tell you.
we nosy New Yorkers. We just want to know what's going on here with all the cameras and everything.
Sure, this is what's called a First Amendment audit. Usually we do it individually by ourselves, but we did a mass audit because there's usually a lot of problems here when we're trying to hold our government accountable. You see all these people here?
Yeah.
Over 200 people were sitting here waiting.
Yeah.
I've never seen that. I do this all over the country. I've never seen this many people on a Tuesday.
Right.
And it happens time to time in different places. It gets busy, but nothing like this.
The facility is not big enough.
Right. And they're window 18, 17, 15, 12, all these people, there's nobody behind those windows. They have 4 people working in there. 4 people only.
It's tough.
So this is what you're doing here to...
New York is
We-
even worse.
Right, no. What part of New York?
I'm from Long Island.
Never heard of it. And what we're doing is a First Amendment audit. It's the First Amendment of the United States. It's the first law we have here for a reason.
Yeah.
It's freedom of the press.
Yeah. Oh, sure.
And the freedom of the press ensures that we can go to our government buildings. Smith versus the City of Cumming, Georgia, 11th Circuit Court ruling says that we can go and see the government working on the government done and see how they're failing here and redress our grievances. Bring it up to the city and say this needs to be fixed.
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna like when you do that. I'm
Yeah.
sure.
Well,
Yeah.
I don't care what they like. We, the people, are in charge here.
Yeah.
Right on.
So what news is this here now?
Well, you can look it up in the Rights Crispy. RIGHTS Crispy. So, I'm talking to him. This gentleman, Rights Crispy. Yeah, on YouTube. Yeah. Yeah.
Rights Crispy?
Correct. Yeah. We got a new member join the movement. A young one. All right, folks. Take care. Honor your oath.
Be safe. Be safe.
And don't destroy that that picture on your camera, on your phone. I said don't destroy the picture on your phone. Don't.
Said I took a picture.
I have objective documentation of it here. If you took
In
a
my phone, you
picture,
know what I did?
we'll find out.
Okay.
We'll find out. Don't destroy it, because if you do, it's a felony tampering with evidence. You know that?
Evidence of what? Somebody committed a crime?
Yeah.
For backing up, I just don't
Right on.
Somebody committed a crime?
Just don't destroy it. Don't erase it. You know you can't do that. Don't erase it. Is somebody committing a crime? Yeah. Somebody is committing a
So I
crime.
need to subpoena your record.
You're
Don't
starting
destroy yours,
you're
huh?
starting conspiracy, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have a good one, man.
Honor your oath. You see? You see?
I don't think they take it as serious as you.
No, but someday they will. Yeah, and what side are you going to be on? We the people's side? Or are you going to be a bootlicker? That's right, and I'm your Huckleberry, sir. Take care. Yeah. Thanks. Keeping me safe.